Minecraft is arguably the best game ever. You can play it and enjoy it. This video is a step-by-step guide on how to play and enjoy the mod. First, you need to go to the website of Minecraft Forge. Here you can see a countdown. You can skip the button. Now you have to download, install the client. You can see on the screen how the client looks like. Now you have to install it and run .bat file. Now after installing it, we need to go to the website of Just Enough Items mod. It's an excellent addition to the install. Open the website and check the Minecraft version indicated on the mod page. Your game must match it. If everything checks, hit the download button. It will download it automatically. It's a archive file. Now it's time to install some Minecraft mode. First you need to go to the Minecraft clients mode folder. You will see it located on the Windows app data roaming Minecraft. You can click on Windows, Ctrl plus R to see the video on the screen. Here you can see your mode install status. Once you install the mode, it's important to check if it's working correctly. You can go to the Microsoft launcher, select the Forge from the drop down menu, and the bottom left corner click on the play. Once you Minecraft menu, click on the mods button. Here all of your install modes will be displayed, including Just Enough Times mode we installed. You can see on the screen. If you want to check your mode is working on the server, you select the multiplayer, add to server address. In the example, we are running both on the client server games. You can see on the screen, and our server address will be loaded as localhost. Once connected, we can confirm the GI mode is active and working fine. You can see on the screen. So this was how you can do it and install the gameplay, and I'll see you in the next one.